Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy A6. Okay, it is really easy, but you need to be aware that if you lock the bootloader, the phone will perform the factory reset and everything will be erased, so I highly recommend to create a backup of the data. Make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi. If you are, go to About Phone, Software Information, and now tap on the build number real quick a few times in a row, until you see that developer mode has been enabled. Then go back all the way to the main page of the settings, scroll down and find developer options. Now we have the OEM Unlocking feature right in here, and now to lock the bootloader we gotta turn it off. Click on Disable, and now the phone tells us that it needs to perform a factory reset, so we gotta click on Delete All. Now our phone will be turned off, and after a while it will be turned on again. We'll have to go through the setup process to use our phone, but now our bootloader is fully locked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.